Shit man, it's hot today, it's thirsty. Finally we've got people working for me. You fucked it up, man.
I have, yeah.
Very bad spring. Yeah, the other problem
Is the driver.
What?
Hello everyone, so today's mission is Audi A6 C6 2007 2-litre diesel, and we're gonna find out what's wrong with the suspension today because it sits a little bit low and there's nothing in there. Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
What?
Very bad spring.
Just fucked.
So we're gonna go and check the other side as well and see what happened in there. But the thing is, I can't see where it's snapped. But I don't think it should be like that, especially not aligned with this shit. So let's throw the wheel back on and go and check the other side as well, because the other side looks sus as well. Why am I doing all the heavy lifting? I'm a motherfucker impact guy. Nah.
It's around 40 quid for a pair from them.
New or used?
Used. From Latvia. But all of the cheaper ones are from Lithuania and it's like 30 quid each.
Sounds expensive.
Go, go, go. It's like a bloody pit stop. Yeah, well, with this speed we wouldn't win any race. Oh, and similar. You have to compare the new ones on the photos to see whether they both are fucked.
Oh, they're supposed to be like this. But then the shock needs changing.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
What?
Very good. Very
Leave
good.
that alone.
Yeah, that's the only thing I would do. I'll compare them on the photos when they sell them. But that doesn't look like...
It's in place as well.
And then I don't think that should be like this there. Because the bottom bit looks alright.
Just gonna look for a seller that could do me a deal for both of the spring, both of the shocks.
Yeah, nice, quick and easy. It's gonna be fun.
Change all of them.
It's gonna be fucking proper fun. We're gonna have to disconnect this shit. Obviously we're gonna get rid of that. And the question is whether that's gonna go down or not. Or compare if the A3 springs are the same. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Should we go and find out? What the fuck is that? Hello? 1212?
What?
Oh shit, unplug the battery. Oh wait. What the fuck is it? I think the air... Before it burns. Yeah, I think the aliens want to get in touch with us.
That's what I was gonna say. Okay, message from the UFO.
Oh yeah, I need to close the window now. Yeah, so let's put the wheel back on. And we're gonna go and...
I know what we're gonna do. Swap the suspension from A3.
That's what I just said. To check.
You said to check, but I said we're gonna change it.
If it's the same, yeah.
If not, we'll make it fit.
Oi, putting that back in the door, yeah?
Yeah.
So if you lose it, you can't blame me. Alright, let's go. Off to the next one. This is fucking a new one, mate. No one gives a fuck. Audi. Who the fuck drives Audi?
Good question.
Come on! Ninja style. The shock is shocked. But these are way thinner. Yours gonna be way heavier as well. But at least we know that's the way it's supposed to look. Probably got fucked somewhere in there. Just collapsed. Right, so we're gonna get new springs.
I knew.
Brand new second hand. Brand new second-hand springs.
Always kept in the garage
Yep.
and under
And-
the blanket.
And the shocks. And we're gonna have some fun with this.
Stinks of shit.
Finally, we've got people working for me. He's gonna fuck something up in a minute. Look at that.
Look at that. You got too much pressure in your tire.
No, the tire is chilled. It's not under pressure.
Chill, bro.
It's chilling. So the other problem with it is the aircon doesn't work.
I think it would be easier to list the things that are actually working.
What?
Than,
It's an Audi, so the good thing is it starts, well, sometimes, and the wheels are spinning, so not too bad then, is it? So what we're gonna do, because it had no gas, it was re-gassed as well, we needed something thin. Oh, don't take your trousers down.
no gas.
No gas?
We have a leak.
Is there nothing at all, is it?
Yeah, and when I went to regas it the other day, the guy was like, yeah, we regassed it, it's nothing leaking. It's probably the pressure or the sensor. Not leaking at all.
What's that, 70 quid?
60.
Premium stuff, Dinesh.
They probably didn't even look at it.
Yeah, all done, mate. The pump is fucked, yeah, 60 quid for the gas. Off you go.
Next one.
We probably don't even have the aircon machine.
They only reparked the car.
Professional.
Watch this.
What?
That's another problem.
Oh, and the minimum. No good. Do you want more?
If you have a coolant leak, the best thing is to get some murky water from like a pond or something.
How dare you?
The toilet.
A toilet's too clean. That should be enough.
I think you can fit a bit more there. Look, if you... Shit, man, it's hot today, it's thirsty.
All these horses need to drink. And I see all these people in the comments, oh, you put water into your cooling system. Ah!
Yep.
And what you gonna do about it?
Yeah, if you end up buying coolant every time you need to top that up, it's gonna cost you more than the diesel, is it? And then all the oil it takes.
It doesn't take oil because it doesn't have any. Oh, it has more than it should.
Didn't you just have the engine running then?
Like half an hour ago, even more than that. So it doesn't take oil. It produces oil.
So we've got one more job ticked off the list, the aircon. So we know what's the problem, it's fucked. There's no gas, it loses the gas somewhere. That's it.
That's one of the problems. Because apparently when they regassed it, the aircon still didn't kick in, so...
It's fucked, that's it. That's as far as we're gonna go with the diagnosis.
I know how to fix this.
Ah,
You got
nah.
tape?
What?
Looking good.
Genius.
That's it.
Yep.
Fixed.
The aircon should be working now. And then I have all this shit stabbing my fucking tires.
I know.
Because some people are just leaving this shit in the middle.
Yank it!
What?
You fucked it up, man.
I have, yeah.
That's the thing when you work with retards, yeah? Yeah, the other problem,
It's the driver.
That is correct.
and the next one is it leaks everywhere. Basically, if you go underneath it, so everything is
You can
wet.
see in here if you get a good light.
Oh yeah, shit, nice and wet.
Nice and wet.
If you're gonna be able to see anything, it's all fucked everywhere. And as I said, the top end was rebuilt recently, 3 months ago.
Not even that.
Yeah, from underneath it looks better. You can see more.
Maybe you wanted to say it looks worse from underneath.
Okay, go and get your engine cover now. Really nice. That's why I don't have him helping me fixing my car.
If you need any repairs done on your vehicle, give us a shout and we'll make you a quote.
You have to take it off, take the rubber bit out, stick it in there.
What?
This one.
Oh yeah, because the
Yeah, you
bracket
fucked
is
it.
fucked.
Yeah, but you can still get it in there. I guess. Or you need to take the rubber bit off and stick it in there.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice.
Like it's supposed to be like this.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to deal with your light. That one's shit. That one's-
Replace all the fucked bolts.
What bulb?
All of them.
Yeah, look at that. Audi.
What the fuck is that?
Probably
That's
that.
from a pipe.
The other problem is this.
Yeah, I ain't doing anything with that.
You can put some oil on top of that. Look. Nice. Oh yeah, we've got that thingy. Wait. So what we're gonna use for the lights? That's a color
Magic.
glass turtle. Turtle wax. That's fucking red.
It's for turtles, not for cars.
No, if that was for turtles, it'd be green.
Oh, too much. Oh, yeah, I fixed it. Oh,
You look way better. You need more. Yes.
nah.
Rub it, rub it, rub it. Well, it's not good. It's not great. But it is looking better. Let's try this one. Let's take this shot for a comparison. You have to be quick. Look at that.
Put some more.
But then you should leave it there to dry a little bit and then polish it off.
This one looks better.
Do the windows as well. It does look better though. It looks all foggy now, not like all cracked up. Oh, this one's looking shit already as well.
It looks even worse now.
That didn't long last, did it? Oh, that didn't last long, did it? Long last.
Long last. Long last.
I don't think you should wash it off though. That shows you how dirty the car is.
What?